Dear students, in this module, I will be discussing with you a special value called NA. NA जो है आम इंग्लिश में हम जब लिखते हैं तो it stands for not applicable, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि it is different. The point to be noted is that in statistical analyses, data sets often contain missing values. For example, someone filling out a questionnaire may not respond to a particular item, or a researcher may record some observations from an experiment incorrectly, and then when he realizes this, he may remove them from the data set. So, identifying and handling missing values is important so that we can still use the rest of the data. So, R provides a standard special term to represent missing values, और वो term क्या है? It is NA. NA stands for not available. Okay? आम इंग्लिश में हम कहीं लिखते हैं तो NA stands for not applicable, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसको याद रखिएगा कि NA stands for not available. Also, you must note that NA entries are not the same as the NaN entries. पिछले मॉड्यूल में आपको याद होगा कि आपने पढ़ा था कि NaN जो है that stands for not a number. For example, 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So that is a totally different situation. यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं missing values की, and that's a totally different situation. Another thing that you should keep in mind is that NaN is used only with respect to numeric operations. All right? Numeric operations के अंदर वो आता है. Missing values, on the other hand, they can occur for any type of observation. So, we can have NAs for the numeric setting as well as for the non-numeric setting. I would like to give you a few examples. Here is example 1. We have a vector. We are calling it foo. And what do we have inside the vector? We have a character string called character. Then we have another character string called A. Then we have NA. And then we have another character string which you can read, another one, and then another NA. अगर हम इसको रन करेंगे और उसके बाद दोबारा से foo लिखेंगे, तो जो हमारे सामने आएगा, that is, as you can see on the slide, character A, NA with string and NA. यानी वो जो कुछ उसके अंदर था वो उसी तरह से आ गया, और इसमें दो एंट्रीज जो हैं they are missing, the third entry and the sixth entry. Before I go further, I would like to run this for you in my R file, and I have copied the code and put it here. और अभी आप देखें कि कोई error वगैरह कोई नहीं है. So I'm going to write foo again and enter, and there you are. जिस तरह से वहां पे था उस तरह से वो आपके सामने आ गया है. The last example that I would like to do with you is that of a matrix. अगर आप इसको consider करें, matrix of course is our function which will give us the matrix. उसके अंदर जो हमारा वेक्टर है जिसके लिए हम C लिखते हैं और उसके बाद parenthesis ओपन करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले 1:3, that will give us the first column. Then we have NA 5, 6. which should give us the second column. And then we have Na8Na, which should give us the third column. लेकिन ये जो मैंने कहा ये कैसे होगा? ये ऐसे होता है कि उसके फौरन बाद we have written or we should be writing n row equal to 3 and n col equal to 3. यानी हमने उसको बता दिया कि 3 रोज और 3 कॉलम्स, और आपको पता है, आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं कि मैट्रिक्स में अगर आप उसको कोई और कमांड नहीं देते तो फिर वो कॉलम वाइज उसको आपके सामने लेकर आता है. तो इस केस में आई विल copy this whole thing with the name that we have given to this, and that is BAZ, Buzz, or however you want to pronounce it, and I'm pasting it here, and again there is no error, and I'm now typing BAZ and I am going to enter, and there you are. ठीक है जी. So these are 3 different examples of the situations where you might have some missing values, and you need to, if they are there, then you need to put them over there. So please practice with it. All the best.